Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I want to teach you how you can earn $75 to $100 per gig typing. You're going to be able to make quick PayPal money online, and it's a super easy, quick video, but you're going to want to stay for the whole thing. If you skip through, you're going to miss some of the steps, and I'm going to give you two little helpful hacks to be able to do this super quick, super easy, especially even if you are not good at writing. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. Obviously, this is not going to be a passive income. You're going to have to still trade time for money, and who really wants to do that? So if you're wondering what my #1 recommendation for making money online is, it's the first link in the description below. All right, guys, we are going to head over to a site called Skyward. Skyward is clearly a freelancing site. Now, I know that I have done videos on other freelancing sites like Upwork and Fiverr, and I think Freelancer I've done a few times. This one's a little bit different. So once you get here, you're going to go to Freelance for Us. You can also use this method of making money online for Upwork as well as Fiverr and Freelancer. So once you get to the site Skyward, you are going to hit Freelance for Us. What this site does is it connects writers, graphic designers, videographers, photographers, and other creative top-tier brands looking to truly connect with their audiences through great storytelling. So I Want to Freelance is going to be the button that you're going to hit. Holy smokes, 10 years later. So you're going to clearly want to hit the writer button and then hit continue. Once you do that, they're going to ask you to do a few things for them. You're going to read an agreement. You're going to need a valid email, an email that you're going to be able to be checking, not one that you made when you were 13 and don't know the password for it. So once you do that, you're going to do a password, confirm it. I am not a robot. You're going to want to hit I accept, and then hit the continue button. Once you do that, they're going to ask you to write a little bit of something about yourself. Also list some of the social networks that you do use, whether it be Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Reddit, whatever social media that you have, make sure that you list it. And you will start getting jobs for writing. And you're probably saying, look, like I suck at writing. That is not something I'm very good at. How am I going to be able to make $75 to $100 per gig typing? Well, I'm super happy that you stayed for the whole video because I'm going to teach you a few hacks on how to get your articles or whatever you need written. So you get your first job and you're not really sure what to do. You need to write a whole article. You are going to go to a site called articlesfactory.com. And what this is a royalty-free site. You need to make sure they have a few royalty-free sites out there, but I truly prefer Articles Factory because they have a whole bunch of categories, as you can see on the left-hand side here, to choose from. So you get your first job, you get yourself over to Articles Factory. Say your first gig is something about, probably not law, that's kind of confusing. We're going to just do travel. Travel sounds good. So you go and you click travel, you end up finding an article that matches the criteria of something that you are supposed to be writing about. You can also search for it here in this little search category. So we're just going to pick one so I can show you how to rewrite it because clearly you cannot copy and paste the articles from here and sell it and pass it off for your own work. Even though it is a royalties-free site, it still needs to be changed up a little bit, guys. So let's just look for an article to redo. What should you do when you were unable to receive Apple ID verification code? No amazing development projects and Abu Dhabi. Let's do that one. So as you can see, the article starts up here and continues all the way down through here. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste. This is the easiest method of redoing this you will ever find. So you just want to click that, and then you want to head over to another site. It is called Spinbot. What Spinbot is a site that you copy and paste your article into this pretty little box right here. There's part of it, and let's get some more of the article here. We'll just do that much of the article for now, just for an example. So we're gonna get rid of the ... space it out, and then copy and paste, say the rest of the article. Now that you have put your copy and pasted article in this article spinning text rewriting site, it's a content creation tool site. You're gonna scroll all the way down here. You're going to want to hit I am not a robot and then hit go. What the site's going to do is going to take the article that we read on the royalties-free site, which is Articles Factory, and it's going to rewrite it for you right here. So that way it's a little bit changed up. If you want to, I would change the title of the article from which you are pulling your information from. And then what you can do is you're going to want to copy and paste your new article. And then you're going to want to go back over to Skyward, go to your job, and copy and paste it there and sell it for about... Oh, I don't know why I did that. Sell it for about $75 to $100 per gig. And that's it, guys. It's super simple and easy. If you want, we can redo this one more time so I can show you exactly how it works. So you are going to find an article that you want. Let's just say we're going to do business this time. IBOT's the ideal suspension point. Once you find your article, you're going to want to take your cursor, you're going to want to copy it. You go back over to Spinbot and you copy and paste it into the top box. Then you scroll down here. Let's get rid of this one. You hit I am not a robot. And then you hit go. And as you can see, guys, I did a really short one here. The maximum amount of characters is 10,000. So you might need to do this a couple times over if you're using a big article. As you can see, it says in the top box that I have pasted, the aim of this article is to tell you various sorts of eye bolts obtainable, taking a look at the pros and cons of each. And it rewrote it to, the point of this article is to let you know the different kinds of eye bolts, realistic investigating of the genius and cons of employments of each. So it's a little bit different, guys. There's just a few changes of the words, which you can make yours. I know that you can be able to use this method on Freelancer, on Fiverr. You can use it on Upwork. So get yourself signed up for all of these freelancing sites so that way you can really start making some money online. I told you it would be a super quick and easy video, guys. If you like it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. If you are looking to be an online entrepreneur, quit your daytime job and start making money like I get to do each and every day online, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.